Hello and welcome back to English Flow Podcast Official, your place to learn real English in a simple and natural way. Today's episode is going to be fun, light, and very useful because we are talking about something that can instantly improve your English: adjectives. Yes, simple words, but very powerful. Let me show you something. If I say, I have a house. Okay, but what kind of house? A big house? A small house? A beautiful house? An old house? See the difference? Without adjectives, your English sounds empty. With adjectives, your English comes alive. Simple rule, very important. Adjectives are just describing words. They describe people, places, things, and even feelings. Let's start with something real. Imagine your day. Morning. Instead of saying, I wake up, say, I wake up in a quiet room, or I wake up in a noisy house. Now listen carefully. Quiet room, noisy house. Just one word, but big difference. Let's talk about coffee, because everyone loves coffee. Instead of saying, I drink coffee, say, I drink hot coffee. I drink strong coffee. I drink cold coffee. Now your sentence feels real. Now let's talk about feelings, very important for speaking, because in real life, we don't just describe things, we describe how we feel. Repeat after me. I am happy. I am tired. I am excited. I am stressed. Again. I am happy. I am tired. I am excited. I am stressed. Good. Now let's make it more real. Today, I feel tired. I feel a little stressed, but also excited. This is how real people speak. Not perfect, but natural. Upgrade your sentences. Don't say, I am tired. Say, I am really tired today. Don't say, I am happy. Say, I am very happy right now. Small change, big impact. Real life example. Daily conversation. Instead of saying, I ate food, say, I had a delicious dinner, or I had a very spicy lunch, or I tried a new amazing dish. Now your English sounds interesting. You don't need long sentences. Just add one adjective. That's it. Example. I watched a movie. Boring. I watched a funny movie. Better. I watched a very interesting movie. Natural. Let's practice opposites. Very important. Repeat after me. Hot, cold, fast, slow, happy, sad. Again. Hot, cold, fast, slow, happy, sad. Good. Now let's make mini sentences. Repeat after me. The room is small. The room is big. The weather is hot. The weather is cold. The day is busy. The day is peaceful. Perfect. This is exactly how you build fluency. Imagine someone asks you, how was your day? Don't say, good. Say, it was a busy day. It was a stressful day. It was a really good day. Now you sound natural. Stop thinking, I need advanced English. Start thinking, I need clear English. Fluency is not about difficult words. It's about simple plus natural plus real. Today, describe your day using adjectives. For example, I had a long day. I drank strong coffee. I watched a funny video. Write 3 sentences and speak them out loud. If you want to improve your English fast, don't learn complicated grammar. Learn how to describe your world, because when you can describe your life, you can speak English. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. This is English Flow Podcast Official. And remember, simple English spoken daily becomes fluent English. See you in the next one.